Hi everybody, welcome back. In our last video, my mom showed us what was in her first Kiwi package. Now let's put these projects together. Here goes tips. Let's start with the cloud pillow. This is the stuffing for the cloud pillow. This is the cloud pillow cover. These are the stickers to put on the cloud cover. Let's get started. First, we start with the rainbow stickers. First, you put red. If you need help, just ask an adult. Orange is next. The next color is yellow. Remember, it goes from biggest to smallest. The colors of the rainbow are always in the same order. Next is green. Next piece is blue. The next color is indigo. Indigo is kind of like a purplish blue, dark blue. And the last color is violet. Make sure you press down firmly. We have one more step left before we finish, the stuffing. Now we gotta get it out of the bag and put it in the pillowcase. Now you gotta stuff it in. Make sure you get all the corners. Little by little. There's no need to rush. After this, we get to take a nap with our new pillow. Now we close up the pillow and it's ready for a nap. Now let's work on the stained glass. This was a good one too. Lastly, we're gonna do the tote bag. Now we need to soak the tote bag. Then take out all the extra water. Now we're gonna add the colorful squares to the tote bag. Color from the paper is gonna bleed onto the tote bag. It works like this. Learn something new every day. Put a little bit of water. There we go. Just have to put a little bit of water for it to stick. Then let's use this dropper to add some water on top. Now just set it in a safe place to dry overnight. Now that it's all dry, we're going to add the stickers to the tote bag. You can put it anywhere you like. All done. This was the first project we did. And this was the next project we did. This was the last project that we did. The tote bag. My favorite was the tote bag. What was your favorite? Thanks for watching. Adios, amigos. Make sure to click the subscribe button.